This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about takeout boxes, specifically these great Tic Tac boxes. And if you're looking for something that's a nice kind of luxe feel for your takeout foods or prepared meals, this is a really great option. We've got 3 colors, the white, craft, and black, and 5 sizes. The extra small, small, medium, large, and finally in the back, the extra large. Great for big orders. And these are great for takeout, but also for bakeries. They provide a beautiful, luxe feeling finish to all of your orders, and they're going to be great for packing up things like cakes and cupcakes as well. And they come flat, which is fantastic and space saving. You can see I have one of the extra small boxes here. And you'll notice the lid is actually folded underneath, and there's going to be these 4 little tabs. That's actually a little bit of adhesive, and it's really easy to pull off the protective cover. On each of these. And then you can just gently pull your box up, and you can see it makes for a quick setup. That adhesive then will stick right to the outsides, giving you a nice little secure box that you can pack up. And then the lids fold over and the magnets hold them in place, making for a beautiful, secure little takeout box. And you can see the black and white both have a nice kind of glossy finish to them, and the craft is matte. So these are a beautiful kind of magnetic closure for easy setup that's also secure. And the high quality paper is really, really sturdy. It almost feels like the consistency of a nice sturdy cardboard or paperboard. So it's going to look really sharp and classy and crisp, which is fantastic. So they're going to be great for using for things like apps, desserts, sides, meals, and packing up larger orders. They're disposable, which makes for easy cleanup for your customers, as well as easy packing up for you. And they're going to be great for other things as well. I love using items like this for small gift sets and gift boxes. So if you're doing a retail shop, whether that's something sweet, or if it's just something like spa sets, soaps, or perfumes, or even jewelry, these make for a really nice, classy presentation that's easy to dress up with things like branding, so stickers, labels, ribbon, ties, whatever the case may be. So these are fantastic option for bakeries, restaurants, and even retail shops looking for great boxes, whether it's for takeout or for gifts.